commemoration of the canonical coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia be meaningful and fruitful for all of us. Please all stand. My dear people, the Pueblo Amante de Maria, we have come here in thanksgiving to the Father for the gift of the Virgin Mother of God, Our Lady of Peña Francia, and her Son, our Lord Jesus Christ the King. Mary is exalted above the choirs of angels and reigns in glory with her Son. The rivers proclaim her name full of glory. The mountains do echo her great majesty. The faithful gathers with joy and sings gladly of her love and give praise to her. She is the patrona del Hijo, Gran Madre de Dios. She shall be forever